The 5A Central Zone Final is underway on WHAN, and Mullen's kick is high and short and will be taken at the 12 on the far side. The eye, Hughes, got a hole, 45-50, 40, got blockers, 30. Hughes in the I formation, he'll get the call, and it'll be Austin Cannon breaking through, getting a big loss back near the 9-yard line. Irvin this time to Hughes, off left tackle, Burris is there, and he'll wrap him up at the line of scrimmage. It's Irvin, looking to pass, rolling right, got time, now he's going to try to run, and he's caught from behind, and then he gets away, and it's a touchdown for L.C.Bird. And the ensuing kickoff for L.C.Bird will be going to Crosby at the 10-yard line. He gets across the 20, down to the 25, and that's where he will go down. McCoy wants to throw it long. He's got a man open, and it's going to be almost intercepted. Second down across the middle, complete on that pass from McCoy to Carey. He's into Bird territory. He's got more running room. In the 30, inside the 20, and then finally down inside the 15 to the 13-yard line. Second down, handoff, Stubbs, and this time he goes nowhere. Third down, 10 from the 13. McCoy is going to run. He stumbles briefly, now looks to get as close to the first down marker as he can. He'll be at about right at the 15, so it's a 25-yard field goal attempt for Mullen. The kick is up, and the kick is good. Mullen has it set ready at the 40, and he'll kick it away. It is high, but returnable from the 10-yard line. Looking for running room is Worsham. Up the middle, 25-yard line. First down, it's Hughes. Trying to get outside, and he won't. For Hughes, and he'll get it. Trying to get around the corner. Devin Jackson is chasing him. And now coming up to make the stop is Daniel Gliff. Irving gets the ball, but drops it, and now he's running for his life. Jackson trying to find him, and he finally gets him and gets away from Jackson. They can't stop Irvin, and he gets the pass off, and it's complete to Worsham, but it'll be short of the first down. And they're going to try the fake, and they're going to be just able to get the first down. It's Hughes going up the gut. And it's Alec Everley helping out on the stop there. It's Hughes up the middle, got running room, inside the 30, inside the 20, down to the 17-yard line. This time the up back's going to get it, and he's going to break open and go into the end zone. On the ensuing kickoff, it's L.C.Bird high and deep. First down, Atlee, McCoy wants to throw. Now he's flushed out of the pocket. Now he's going to run. He gets away from one man, gets away from the second. He spins away from the third, and then he's finally down at the 29-yard line. Looks like Hughes, it's Mullen's kick. He's going to get it away from him. It's going to take an Atlee bounce, and on the far sideline, it's going to go out of bounds. First down, final play, first quarter most likely. Bird trying to get around the corner, and a beautiful, beautiful job and a positive play there at the end of the first quarter by Tanner Bazemore. He's second down and long after the Hughes loss of yardage. Hughes gets the carry this time. He'll find an opening. He'll get to the 30. He'll get to the 40. It's back to Hughes. It's up the middle. He gets away from the first wave, and then he slips and falls inside the Atlee 40 to the 39-yard line. From the 39, up man gets it this time, and he will get stopped. string it out. It's a wishbone-type formation. On fourth down, they stop him, and then Hughes bounces off and gets a first down and more. He's inside the 20, he's inside the 10, and they won't catch him. McCoy, first down, gives it to Stubbs, looking up the middle, is able to get down to the 44-yard line. Back to Hughes. This time he's hit hard behind the line. Alec Eberle comes up with the football. They'll fake it. Irvin wants to throw. He wants to throw long. He's got Earl Hughes, and it's complete. Got behind fairly, and he'll go in for 6. Touchdown, L.C.Bird. McCoy on first down looking to pass. Now he's got to run out of the pocket. Looking downfield, and he's got his man. To go 2nd and 10. McCoy got to go quickly, and it's complete. They need 4 to keep it going. Across the middle, complete to Burris inside the 30, down to the 27-yard line. Quickly, at 1:40 to go, first down at the L.C.Bird 27. McCoy, little swing pass to Dandridge, far sideline. He's got some running room, and a penalty marker late. Probably a late hit again. First and goal, Raiders. McCoy looking, end zone, got a man short. This time, McCoy will fake it, he'll run it, and he'll go into the end zone. With 1:07 to go before halftime, a little help for Atlee. Touchdown Raiders. It's McCoy from 2 yards out to cut it to 28-9. Burris to hold. And the kick is up, and it is good. Hughes in the I formation, first down, they give it to him. Up the middle he goes again. 30, 35, 40, gets around Blink midfield. 45, dances around Gibbons, and he slows him down long enough to finally come down. And Hughes out here to the near. Low snap, Irvin's got it. He's going to get hit as he throws. He looks for Hughes, and he catches it! He catches it! 2nd and 10 after the incompletion. Handoff Stubbs up the middle, got some running room. Look back over to Coach Johnson and company. They get the call, and they're going for it. It's going to be Stubbs looking up the middle. He falls forward, and he will be very close to first down yardage. They may be a hair short. They're stretching the chain now, and the Skyhawks say no, and the referee points in the direction of Bird. First and 10, Skyhawks. Under center, back to Hughes. Looking right side, gets the opening, and he's in. McCoy wants to pass again. 2nd down, got glimpse, complete. Handoff Earl. Left side, he'll get it here. Got a hole, first down, 40, 45, and then Trammell carry. And back to Earl. Right side, got room, Blip trying to get him, and he will at the 32-yard line. Handoff Hughes, off right tackle, 35, follows block, 25-20. Blimp finally brings him down at the 18. From the I, first and goal at the 8. This time he's caught Nick Clark there, and Eberle as well. Back to Earl. And Eberle will stop him at the line of scrimmage, tackling him from behind. And this time they're going to roll out and try to throw. Irvin looking for a man, back corner of the end zone, and Gibbons with a nice stop. Individual effort there by Jaquie Gibbons. It'll be Hughes, gets the first down and more, down the sideline to the 10, and he will get into the end zone. McCoy, fake it to Stubbs. He'll run it himself on the keeper, trying to get around left side. He'll get to the 30, fall forward to the 31-yard line, and that'll be short of the first down. Handoff this time. New tailback in the game. First down, Hughes behind the line of scrimmage, and Ramey will cause him to lose 2.5. Our final score tonight here on the Game of the Week, Skyhawks 46, Raiders 10.